Are you tired of wrestling with cumbersome vacuum cleaners that weigh you down? Meet the Amazon Basics Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and convenient cleaning solution that revolutionizes your daily cleaning routine. In this review, we'll explore why this vacuum is more than just a cleaning tool, it's a game changer for your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Lightweight efficiency. At just 5 pounds, this cordless vacuum is a lightweight powerhouse. Experience the freedom to move and clean with ease, reaching every corner of your home effortlessly. The space-saving design ensures convenient storage, making it an ideal choice for homes of all sizes. Versatile cleaning experience. Designed for everyday cleanups, this cordless vacuum comes equipped with a range of attachments for various tasks. The upholstery brush, crevice tool, and motorized brush cater to different surfaces and ensure a thorough cleaning experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between different tools for different areas. Amazon Basics has you covered. Adaptable to any surface. Whether it's your plush carpet or sleek hardwood floor, this vacuum is versatile enough to handle both. No need to switch between different cleaning tools for different surfaces. Enjoy consistent and effective cleaning across your entire home. Extended runtime. The powerful Li-ion battery boasts an impressive 45 minutes of running time at the low setting. Tackle your cleaning tasks without the constant worry of recharging. Need a boost of power for specific cleaning needs? The max setting provides powerful suction, with a reasonable trade-off on running time for those special circumstances. Attachments for every task. The included attachments: upholstery brush, crevice tool, motorized brush, charger, and wall bracket make this vacuum a comprehensive cleaning solution. From intricate corners to large surfaces, Amazon Basics ensures you have the right tool for every task at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is not just a cleaning device, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It combines power, versatility, and efficiency in a sleek package that transforms your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and heavy equipment. Embrace the freedom of cordless cleaning. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.